This is so funny.
What's so funny? Did somebody fall?
No, because they're in nature and it's all about natural, and you're being anything but. You're literally trying to get the perfect shot, the perfect like light and everything.
You're ruining my video.
I love it.
I wanted to get you going down to the waterfall.
Oh, well, then you're gonna listen. As a director and a photographer, you're gonna need to lead the way, because you can't videotape my butt. I mean, you probably have, but you can't get my surprise on my face on my way.
It's too late. You already saw it.
Ready? Oh.
I've already started videoing.
Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh my god. It really is pretty.
See, right,
I don't think I've ever been here.
Right down there is where me and her crossed. There was a fisherman on the other side, and he said he would pull us back up to the bank.
Yeah.
And
yeah, would you catch it? Oh, over there.
she went first, and she's using her trekking poles, and I took my shoes and socks off, and we're holding our shoes and socks so we didn't get them wet.
Yeah.
And and she fell, lost one of her trekking poles.
Oh no.
And I'm like trying to grab her, and she's more worried about her trekking pole. Oh, they were expensive.
We got to get these.
That looks slippery, but